Hello, my name is Renato Leyva. I am from Chile. I am in the program Master of Data Analytics and I studied a bachelor degree in industrial engineering. Back home, my work experiences are most related to business intelligence. That's why I wanted to study the Mastery of Data Analytics. I chose Canada as my study destination because I wanted to live in another country. So Canada, it seems like a very good country to know different cultures. We like it because the falls are here. Niagara Falls is a good town to live. It's beautiful. What I most like about this program is the chance to understand more about the data. Nowadays there are many data sources where I can get information and try to understand the behavior or patterns of the data. The program has a hybrid method. There is a platform where we can study before the class, try some exercises, and then in the class the professor do a quick review and then explain everything. My favorite subject is Python, so I wanted to learn that to get more insight from different data sources and more approaches. Studying Master of Data Analytics will help me to solve problems in today's world, like getting the information, understand the pattern of the different sources. What I like most about the UNF is the class size, that it is very small, so I feel more involved in each class. I'm able to ask more questions. After my graduation here, I plan to be in a company as a data analyst. My ultimate goal is to learn about each company, and after that I want to have a company that make a different application for the sales to improve the profit. I am Renato. I am a proud UNF student, and innovation flows here.